Try that again. We have a technical issue. One, two. There we go. That's better. Okay, we've got audio. Do apologise for that. Slight technical issue. Had to go to a backup system, but we're running again. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor live launch from SpaceX. We've been heavily trading this morning, $1 million in play, and we are in and out, improving our positions all the time. We've got live link up with Starbase. We've got $1 million in play, and we're on it this morning. We've done already $60,000 of trades this morning. It was all shared in Discord, and you can see why, because we popped up and then we went straight back down again. So we used our lots. If you don't have lots, you can use FIFO. And we are repositioning for another re-entry, literally, on SpaceX any moment now. So we are trading our lots. We're going to keep you updated with all the news, and we're going to hopefully make a lot of money today. We've got $1 million in play. We're all in on margin, so we are holding our own position, but the margin, we are trading with it in and out to try to get lower lots and improve our position. Now, if you don't have lots, use your FIFO, write down your orders, know what you're selling, understand which ones you're selling each time, cross them off when you sell, so you always know exactly what you're trading and what you're selling all the time. So anyway, 9 hours, 55 minutes before the flight. Of course, it will get very exciting this afternoon. We're seeing SpaceX pop up, pop down. Let me share with you our position here. I've got $612,000 in the main account. I've got another 300 or so across my Roth IRA, my ISA, my Robinhood UK, all here now in SpaceX. One stock, one thing, focused very much on it, and we are down considerably. We had $1 million. We're down 51,000 on this position, but we're improving our position all the time. We're lowering our average. We entered at 140, 147, I think it is. We're now down to 126. So we're improving our position all the time. You can see it says 95% in my portfolio. That is because I've got crypto as well. I haven't sold that yet, despite we trimmed off the top because we knew the Clarity Act was starting to fall apart, which it did. So we sold the top lots, and we've got some liquidity there. But we'll sell more if we need to. If we got on a margin call, we can always draw on about 30 grand and get ourselves out of problem. But no reason to do that now because we used our lots to get much lower levels anyway. So we had a nice little trade this morning. It was shared on Discord. We had a nice little pop this morning. We sold some lots, 7 lots from the bottom. So we took some profit, made about $300 profit on that lot, and that put $60,000 back in our buying power. We've just fallen down. We don't want to buy again here. We want to try and buy lower each time, all the time, selling the higher lots, swapping them for lower lots, and thereby bringing our average down to 110. That's the aim, to get $110 million at 110. That's the current target I'm trying to do. Anyway, let's go to the questions. Here we go. So SpaceX is going up as we speak. Yes, it's going back up again. Let me just check my audio through here a minute. I'm trying to do, yeah, all good. Yesterday was looking like a great buy. Well, it's not about great price or great buy. It's about staying in the game. It's about keep being fluid, because this can drop potentially. I don't see it, but people are arguing for $50 because of all the short interest and all the unlocks. So you have to be prepared for it. I think it's utter ridiculous, but nevertheless, that's what people are trying to do. So I'm always trying to get lower all the time. We've got This Way Def Gaming. When the moon? Well, that's a good question. Good day, says Bitcoin's Craig. Pro member here, Potato Family is in the house. Yesterday was a good buy, but today is better. Expecting a big jump if flight goes well, and then a dump again, my opinion. Oh, I'm absolutely sure of it. Absolutely sure of it. We can trade this. It's so easy to make money on this. So what we're going to do is if we go higher, we'll sell some much higher lots. Now, we can start to sell the top lot soon because we've got some liquidity out. If we drop now below 115, I will use that 60 grand. I've got 60 grand in the buying power. I'll show you. We've got 60 grand now in the buying power again. My margin buffer is way off the floor. Look at that. 42. Look, 42. Yeah, nearly 43 now. So we are very, very safe. We've improved our position. I wonder if SpaceX have reevaluated margin. No, it's still 30%. I was looking at thinking, well, that's gone up pretty quick. Anyway, so we are moving up now. This is very, very nice. If it keeps running up, we'll be able to sell our top lots at 130s and 140s, and then our average will come plummeting down. Or if we go down, we can use the 60 grand to buy at 115, 114, wherever we can. As long as we can buy lower than where we've just sold, we're always improving our position. All right? And we just done a nice little sale. A few moments ago, I'll show you where he was. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yeah, 117.38. We sold $60,000 at 117.38. We made a profit of $357. I made realized profit of $357. You can't quite see it on the screen. $357, and we've improved our position. That's what it's all about at the moment. It's not about profit. It's about gaining more at lower prices, improving our positions. That is what it's all about. Nice day today in Texas. Looking great for the flight. As you can see, the rocket is all stacked, ready to go. Starbase is all looking good. So we're just counting down now. So we've got all this time to trade and make money. Awesome, isn't it? Anyway, let's carry on. Good morning, everyone. Ninja Cowboy, thank you for your picture, by the way. I appreciate it. We'll be adding it to the gallery soon. Thank you. Zach Zeit, happy Friday. Okay, let's have a look. Put 50 cents in the meter, says Bitcoin. No, we got the sound back. Happy Friday to all. Good morning, family. Hello. Well, Brian Bynum is here. Lovely to see you, Brian. Hello, everyone. Stress-free day. Hey. There's Greg. Good morning, says J-Man. Good morning to you. Joey is here. Good morning. Hi, says Zach Zeit to everyone. FinK. Hello, everyone. Heard Trump put new tariffs on 60 countries. Any opinion? Another taco trade. I'm not investing in America now. I'm completely out of the S&P 500. Yes, I'm buying an American company. But I think SpaceX is the one stock that can survive all of this tariff nonsense. It's government. It's doing government contracts, so it can be kind of a tariff-free kind of deal, if you like. I think this whole thing with Trump's tariffs is just literally broken the U.S. economy now. The S&P just keeps falling. It's flat. It's 8% now on the year. It's rubbish. It's below average. Emerging markets are double, triple those numbers now. So America is falling way behind now on growth with this constant on-off stuff. The war is bankrupting America. It's getting worse. It's going to get a lot worse as well. So for me, SpaceX is the way to go right now. I'm out of the S&P. Big risk like this is the way to make money and the way to survive, because you can trade it, swap the lots, bring it down, end up owning all of it. I think this is where the money's going, and you can see it. It keeps coming out of the S&P and buys SpaceX. The amount of movement we have here, it's great. I love it. It's the only stock I'm in right now. 100% all in one stock. Happy Friday, Brian. That's like being $50 down to 1,000. So nothing. It can and probably will turn quickly and go green for sure. That's like being 50 down or 1K. So nothing. I can and probably will turn quickly. I'm not sure I know what you mean, Bitcoins. I don't get why you sell, especially for so little money. It pushes the stock down. I have been holding. No one have a call if we hold. That's just what I think. Huntington, me selling doesn't move your stock at all. It's $1 trillion company. Me selling 60 grand doesn't do anything at all. What do you mean? You follow this show because I am always winning. I'm always beating the market. We're always winning here. It's not smart and it's not clever to lose money. There's nothing smart and clever about sitting here losing money. What we're trying to do, the trouble is, I think, Stephen Huntington, you're looking at this the wrong way. You're looking at this at making profit today and the stock going up. And probably everyone goes, well, yeah, so am I. No, that's wrong. What you're looking for is to build a future position. This is early doors for SpaceX. We are looking for a $400, $500 target. So how do we get that? Just hold? Well, you can just hold if you want to, then you lose money because the stock goes lower and you can keep constantly repositioning. Do you think Wall Street is just sitting there holding? It's trading millions of times a second. That's what Wall Street does. That's what real traders, high-frequency trading is. That's how we improve our position. Doesn't matter if we're down today. I could be down today $200,000. Warren Buffett is down hundreds of millions at the moment. Is he out? Has he lost money? Of course he hasn't. This is how the stock market works. I know a lot of people don't understand that, but that's how it is. And I'm improving my position all the time. Remember, I entered SpaceX about a week ago with $100, then 1,000, then 10,000, then 100,000, then 200,000. I've now got $1 million. I'm down 50 grand on $1 million. That's nothing at all. And I've got a lot more shares, thousands of shares now. And I'm doing that by trading and constantly moving. And we just sold this morning. Now, you might go, well, why would you sell for $380 profit? Because I just made $380 profit, but I made $60,000 of liquidity. And I'm able to buy lower. As you can see, it's going back down again. Now, if it goes up, I've got $940,000 for it to go up. So plenty of money for it to go up. You've got to be able to make money if it goes up and make money if it goes down. Always be fluid, always be liquid, always move. That's what Wall Street does. Those that just buy and hold, that's just joining a fan club. That's not investing. That's just buying and holding. That's not investing at all. That's not how the stock market works. I try to outperform the stock market, and I've done it for 3 and 4 years in a row. So now here we go. Now we're going down. Very nice indeed. Now I can start to buy back. Right? So we're waiting now, and we will. We've got 60 grand. If we go below 115, that's a lot less than I sold. I'll just show you where I just sold a few moments ago. I just sold, the short float is 40%, so we've got short squeeze territory still. I just sold at 117.38. Those were lots that I bought at 114. Beg your pardon, 116. So I made like 348. Okay? So I made a nice profit on those. And now I've sold those at 117.38. I can buy back here. And I will improve my position and I will lower my average. If I want to buy back here, I will buy back 38 cents a share less than I just sold them. So I will end up with free shares. I'll end up with more shares and my average will be lower than where it was before I sold. So that's what we're doing. We're trying to acquire more and more control over the stock. There we go. That's what we want. Down, up, go on. Do that again. Do that again, and I'll spend the 60 grand again, and we'll buy back lower, and we'll end up with more shares. Go space, go ship. Yes, tonight. If SpaceX momentum return upside, it will influence other risks assets like crypto. I think money is now flowing exclusively into SpaceX. The rest of the market is giving up. These tariffs are absolutely destroying the US economy now. We've got year to date. If we look at the year to date for the S&P 500, it is now 7.72, way below average. It's a rubbish year. It's nothing special. We sold at the top. We've been out of it for ages. 7% by July is rubbish. There goes SpaceX. Down she goes. Now we can pick it up again. Keep on running. I'd like to buy now below 115. And Sensei gave us a good target last night of 115. Let's see if we can get it. Our average will come plummeting down if we are able to get that. And there's a very good chance we will as well. A very, very good chance we will. And if we can get our average down, that would be very nice today. That'd be a good day's work. Well, remember, what the job is to do is to improve our situation, not focus on profit today. If it only goes lower if people it only goes lower if people keep selling. That's correct. Or they short the stock. That's right. And then it takes off, doesn't it? Hello, ZZ and Brian B. There will be no short squeeze if we all don't hold. Stephen, I'm sorry, Stephen, you can't control this stock. If we all sat here and didn't sell, all right, nothing would happen. We'd all just lose money. Stephen, you've got to play the game. Joining a fan club, joining a Reddit room and saying, hey, bros, boys, sit together and buy the stock won't work on this. On Virgin Galactic, yeah, much, much smaller. This is $1 trillion business. Multi-trillion a few weeks ago, right? You've got to play the game. And if you sit on the sidelines and think you are in some club that controls it, you will lose your money. You have to understand the game. Crypto is going down. People want money for SpaceX. That's right. That's why we sold the top. You could have just stayed there, collecting coins, collecting fan clubs, buying T-shirts, and you'd end up losing money. We don't lose money on this channel. There will be no short squeeze if we don't hold. I don't know what you mean. If we do hold, you mean? We want a short squeeze. Greg, surely institutions are incentivized to hold the S&P up until SpaceX is listed on all indexes. They're not incentivized to do anything. Greg. Got a very small position at 11.51 if it drops below this. 11.51? 11.51? Got a very small position at 11.51. If it drops below this, I will buy some. I don't know what you mean, 11.51. It's never been 11.51. Are you a private investor? I don't know what you mean. Do you think you'll always have a position in SpaceX if you see it going to 250? Well, I'll adapt with macro conditions. Can't guarantee anything. We'll keep you updated as it happens. Good morning, Subwoofer. A very good morning to everyone. Let's fly this 27-story rocket. Good morning. Right, we're falling down now. Lovely stuff. If we can get back to the 115, we got 60 grand to buy it. Guten Morgen, Philipp. Ich kann nicht sprechen Sie Deutsch sehr gut. Watch the cars, trucks go by. It puts them in perspective on how big the rocket truly is. Absolutely, indeed. As always, pre-market is up. As soon as it opens up, it will dump more. So frustrating every day. No, it's not frustrating. It's not frustrating. Absolutely not. We want the market to go down. The more it goes down, the more we can buy, the more we can trade up. No, you're all seeing it wrong. Well, my members are. My members understand exactly what's going on. Your 50K down is equivalent to 50 down on 1,000. Oh, I see. Your 50K down is equivalent to 50 down on 1,000. Oh, I see. Yes, exactly. Exactly. No big deal. No big deal. A lot of trolls like to tell me Martyn's losing money. He's 50 grand down. What an idiot. It's $1 million. You're talking rubbish. But anyway, there's stupid people everywhere. If Trump can't be friends with his neighbours, he has no friends then. Yeah, I don't understand what it's all about. Yeah, it's getting worse. Getting worse and worse and worse. Fact checker, he doesn't trade oil or do shorts. I never do shorts, no. I'll never do shorts. I don't trade oil. Seems a pointless thing to do. When you sell, everyone does. When I sell, everyone does. My team tend to, yeah. Yeah, my Discordians do. My Electra members do, because we're always winning. Join us, be part of it. Start winning then. Join the winning team. I mean, you know, you can't fight it. But again, we don't move the stock. we can move it on Virgin Galactic or small companies. We can't move it. We can't move SpaceX. I mean, if we had 100 million subscribers and we're all doing it, maybe, but we're too small for that. Hello, friends. Lord Keish, good morning. Hi, Martin. Was watching yesterday. Keep your chin up, bud. Only started 6 months ago. Still learning. Thank you for your honesty. I'll become a member on payday. Well, welcome, Sooty. We're here to help, support you. We're here to just be the most honest. My aim is to be most honest, real, helpful YouTube channel in the world. That's what we're aiming to do. And we have verification tick from YouTube, which says we are genuine and authentic. That's important to us. We have achieved that. We've also got best practices for our memberships, 5 years in a row, never increased prices, best value. And we're here just to help people. It's not about selling stuff you can watch for free, but if you want to be part of our memberships, there's many, many perks that will help you. And yeah, it's all good. You can watch for free if you like, though. I do 1.5 million trades a second, so I'm better than Wall Street. I like it. Bitcoin's Craig does 1.5 million trades a second. He's bloody hell, he's doing better than me. Good morning, Martin. AJM, good morning to you. We can't see launch overlay is in the way. We can't see launch overlay is in the way. What do you mean? We can't see launch overlay. Oh, what do you mean? The price is right above it, Nick. I've got launch and the time over the little red squiggly line. What you're looking at, what you should be looking at is the price, 117.19. That's what you need to look at, not the red squiggly line. It's just a line chart. It's not that important. The price is 117.19. That's what you need to look for throat sweets. Yeah, it's been very intense the last few days. Thank you.
At Slim Valuk tipped £2 through Super Chat for throat sweets.
Yeah. I tell you what. Let's have a little vote. Would you prefer me to move launch and the clock over the SpaceX video? Everybody say yes or no. Is this better? Is that better? Is that better, everybody? Do you prefer that? Just let me know. In the chat, do you prefer that? Lots of yeses or lots of no's. Do you prefer that? We can do that if you prefer that. All right. If not, I'll put it back over the SpaceX again. Hello, Martin. It's good to see you looking better today. You always find the bottom. Always. By trading, you always find the bottom. That's right. Keep it up. I am watching from the sidelines now. Sold my 114 entry at SpaceX. Now waiting for 110. I wouldn't have sold the bottom lots. Never sell the bottom lots. Sell the top lots. What about mine as well? 115.69. What about your 1115, William Bond? 111 is my new low. Ooh. You got 111? No one's got 111. It's never hit 111. Sorry, Juliet. Option puts on oil aren't so risky as long as... I don't know what that means. Fact checkers just not making, it's not facts at all, is it? Fact checkers saying things that aren't facts. Anyway, whatever. Let me put that over there. There we go. Good morning. Yes. Everyone prefers it. Okay, there you go. My wish is your command. Average 127. Nice one, mate. Good morning. Hi, Martin, everyone. I don't think I'm in the club. LOL, not even close. What do you mean? What do you mean not in the club? You can join us. What do you mean not even close? Everyone can be part of it. It's all you need is $1. It's not. It's just about being a good person. It's not about having lots of money. We have some big whales and we have some small people in small amounts of investments. But I started with $5,000. Didn't start with $1 million. Started with $5,000. I wonder if I can put a little bit of shadow on that border. Can I put some shadow on that? I'm trying to make the launch stand out a bit better. I'm trying to make launch stand out a bit better. Let's see if I can do it. Let me move my clock out the way. Right. Shadow. Oh, there you go. How about that? Look, bit of shadowing. That look better? My God, it's too professional, isn't it? It's too professional. There you go. That looks even better. And we'll leave that for a minute. It's getting better and better, isn't it? Can we put shadow on that as well? I think we can put shadow on that as well. Oh, yeah, now we're talking. Look at that. All right. We got to live up to our verification ticks and all our awards on YouTube, right? Okay, how about it? I quite like that, actually. It's quite good, doesn't it? I'm all in with Virgin Galactic again. Be careful, because money's coming out of Virgin Galactic. No real money's buying it, but that's an opportunity, right? It's an opportunity to buy Virgin Galactic, perhaps. No, nothing wrong with that. I'm watching Virgin Galactic for a re-entry. I just think you're safer at the moment with SpaceX. But, I can understand Virgin Galactic does make a bit of sense. It's dropped down. I'm still 8% up on it, and I'm looking to buy it back lower, not higher than where I sold it. I don't see much point to that yet because the real money is sat on the sidelines waiting to buy it when it takes profit from SpaceX. So I'm not so sure that is the way to go just yet. Anyway, but I understand why you might. He means what? Oh, 111. It's never been to 111. Has anybody bought SpaceX for 111? I'm not seeing it for 111. Is that your price target? Why so precise? 111.51. Why that number exactly? Are you bringing the piano out to play Rocket Man as it launches? I think we could, couldn't we? 113 is 56 is golden. You're just making these numbers up. It doesn't mean anything. Good morning. He believes that your small money position is moving the stock. Well, yeah. Go lower so I can fill my bags. That's right. When the market turns, we will be investing in emerging markets. There she is. Look at that. Let's go full screen. Look at that. Beauty, innit? Lovely sunny day in Texas. Ready to rock and roll. Look at that, folks. Look at the size of it. Look at that, folks. That flies tonight. That launches tonight. We could be at 140. So that's why we're trying to get more throughout the day. This is why all day today I'm going to be here trying to accumulate as much of this as I can. 9 hours, 28 minutes to the window, and a very good chance it'll fly today. There's no real issue today, so we're looking good. Very, very nice. Now we're going up again on SpaceX. It's the only stock in town at the moment. The only stock in town. Simple as that. It's the only thing that I'm paying any attention to at the moment. There's nothing else worth worrying about. It's the only game in town where all the money is going. Everything will be robbed to pay for this today. So That's why we're focusing on it. We want to win money today. Go lower. 20 grand on SPC average 256, 20 grand on SPC average 119. Oh, very nice. Rovey Jame, very nice indeed. I think you've beaten me, but have you beaten me? You've beaten me on SpaceX. Very nice, very good indeed. As soon as I sell my top lots, my average will come plummeting down to the round about the 115, 116. But I've got to sell the top lots, and they'll make me profit as well. So I'm excited today. I think we're going to make about 100 grand today, somewhere in that region. 100 grand, maybe more today. We've got $1 million in play, so we could easily make 100 grand today. Good afternoon, everyone. Ethan, how you doing? Even if we all sell, with Martyn, the stock doesn't move. That's right. We can't. I tell you what, though, I love his optimism, though. It's great. And, if we keep growing, we keep getting bigger, we get millions of followers, and we all do it, maybe we can move SpaceX. But, keep on going. Martyn, can you make launch clock smaller? Yes, I can. Would you like me to make launch clock smaller? How about that? Is that better? Your wish is my command. Tell me what you want. Now it's the same size as launch. I thought it looked better being slightly bigger. But, hey, you tell me what you want. There you go. Does that look better? Happy? You can tell me what you want. I'm doing it for you. There you go. SBCX is hit down 150. You mean 115, not 1150. Let's get more shares today. Why is everyone writing 1150 rather than 115? What, is that a new trend, is it? Just to confuse me. Good morning, Sir Joey. Yes. Yes, you all preferred that. I asked you if you preferred that. William had to be no. William had to be no. Everybody said yeah. William said no. Oh, so did Anubis. The majority said yeah. 110.85. Lovely. I didn't get that. Very nice. Yes, everyone says yes. There you go.
At Frankie Laraba 1,780 tipped $2 through Super Chat. $110.85 was yesterday's low.
Very good. Very good. I want to explain this a little bit, though, because people very often, I'm going to dig deep into this morning. A lot of people don't understand my strategy. My Discordians do, my members do, but people say to me, why are you selling for so little profit? What's the point? Well, profit is profit, Remember I told you I spent 4 years on a cruise ship earning $1 tips and ended up paying off my house. So when everybody else was sat on the beach, it doesn't matter, just a few cents. It bought a house. That house now has quadrupled in price. So I do take care of the pennies. The pounds take care of themselves, take care of the cents. The dollars take care of themselves. And it's not about making profit for me on this trade right now. It's about building a position. And I don't care whether I'm 50 cents more than you, 50 cents lower than you. It doesn't matter. What matters most and what makes you win and why I've beaten the market for 3 years in a row, nearly 4 years now, by some margin, 3 and 4Xs, is not by trying to get the very lowest price or trying to sell the highest price. That is a gamble. What I focus on doing is remaining in the game, always in the right asset at the right time. It's not about your price target, whether you get this price or that price, because let's be honest, I'm not buying SpaceX to go up to $118. My target on SpaceX is to between $240 and $250 within 12 months. Okay. Now, any institution, forget the idiot saying $50 because we're all going to sell off and everyone's going to unlock. And that's the smartest people in the world don't think that. But people sat at home on their computers, sat on the toilet with their AI chat GPT, which they have programmed to say whatever they want to say by bad training. That's how it works, by the way. They'll never understand that. People don't know how chat GPT works. They think it's a search engine. They talk to it and train it wrong. If you're a stupid person and you talk to ChatGPT is stupid, right? If you ask ChatGPT to give you numbers and statistics based upon reliable sources, so you say, for example, can you give me a price prediction on SpaceX, and I'd like you to use the thesis provided by X analysis, compare that analysis to XYZ analysis, cross-reference that with what Elon Musk has reported on his earnings calls, blah, 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 blah. It will do that. And it will come back with actual useful information. However, if you talk to it like an idiot and a gambler and a speculator, and you use references from Twitter and X Spaces and all these kind of silly things that you hear online, it will give you those predictions. And it will give you those worst scenarios, $50 stock. It's not even relevant. And then YouTubers make videos on it and think they're like revealing secrets that the world doesn't understand. But the smart money that doesn't do that, that actually reads the numbers, the balance sheet, speaks to the company, goes and visits SpaceX, goes and talks to the people who work there, on all this attends earnings calls, they come up with a completely different set of numbers. That's where I go. Okay, so it doesn't matter to me whether I get $115.20 or $115.15 if it's going to $400, does it? What matters is I'm in. Now, most people that say things like, I'm going to buy it at $50, I'm going to buy it at this and this, don't buy it. One, they probably don't have the money because they've lost their money because they've done stupid things somewhere else. Number two, when it gets there, it's going to go lower. Then it bounces and then they miss it. The people that make the money are those that get involved. I've got so many examples of this. I've given so many conferences of this to inspire people at business meetings. I used to attend a lot of boards and meetings. I haven't got time for it anymore. But when I came to America, I noticed a lot of people didn't take advantages of what was available to them. And the Americans that I was networking with said, how come you've done so well? And how come you're so optimistic about America? I said, you've forgotten how good it is. You're too busy moaning whether you're one politics or the other. You've forgotten your right to how amazing this country is and the opportunities that are in front of you. And immigrants always do better than most people that just live here because we see how amazing it is and we work harder. And we're more optimistic. You're always moaning and going, it's too much. It's this. You don't understand how good it is. And it's about remaining in the game. And most people talk about the game but never enter it. One example of that, I knew a friend of mine had a fitness business and she was developing an app. She's still doing it, by the way. 5 years later, she's still developing an app. I said, get it out. Get it out, learn from it. Like Elon Musk. Try and fly a rocket. It blows up, learn from it. Make it better. Blow it up again. Make it better. Try harder. Fail again. Keep trying. The world is yours. All right? Keep going. No. I've got to get the app right. 5 years later, thousands of dollars spent in costs, still no app. Now, my YouTube channel was the same. I went live, made mistakes, kept learning, lost $40,000 on Virgin Galactic and actually lost it. Sold for a loss, never came back until now, of course. Actually lost money, not like being down at the time like I am now on SpaceX. Actually lost money. And I kept growing. Now I've gone from $5,000 to $1 million. I've got 4 successful YouTube channels. I've got a Discord business. That's a full-on business now. It's a full-on income. It earns more than the average wage in the UK. My Instagram is a financial success. My Facebook is a financial success because I kept going and learning from it, just like SpaceX does, just like Elon Musk. That's what it's all about. If you keep talking about getting involved and sitting on the sidelines, nothing ever happens. You just keep talking about stuff. People say, it's my dream. If you dream about stuff, you are just a dreamer. Don't be a dreamer, be a doer. This nonsense the young people today talk about manifesting. It's the new soft term of bullshit, basically. just sit around manifesting stuff. It's just a lazy way of doing nothing. If you can't do it, if you don't put off what you can do today, tomorrow. Do it now. And you'll be surprised. And I'll tell you something else. If you ever want something done, ask a busy person. Because if you ask a lazy person with all the time in the world, they ain't got time. Ask somebody who's got a million things to do. They get it done. Always. Anyway, there we go. 3 minutes to go before the bell. Yes, reduce the size. My app is still pending. I'm in Discord and I'm an Electra member. Stephen Huntington. Lovely, mate. So what do you mean you're not part of the club? You are part of the club. You are definitely part of the club. Why are you saying you're not part of the club? You definitely are. Can you explain how both Virgin and Galactic and SPC can be both successful if they are competing? They're not competing. Oh, down goes SpaceX. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, there we go. Woohoo! Let's buy. That's perfect. We sold the top lot. We're going to lower average today. Lovely, lovely. Let's have it. Come on. Let's have it. Oh, there we go. 2 minutes before the bell. Let's have it. Let's have it. Oh, I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Oh, I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. All right, 2 minutes to go. Now we can sell the top. We've sold the top lots. We've made profit, and now we're going to buy it back. I can buy it back here, but 115 would be better just to piss off Sensei. Just to annoy him. All right, just for a laugh. Okay, here we go. What a lovely morning this is going to be. It's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. Tap the like button. We're not going to ring the bell until you tap the like button. Bloody, I've got itchy nose again. Why do I always get itchy nose sitting here? It's like a little signal. Yep, the market's going to get cheaper. My nose itches. Always. There it goes. Boom. Tap the like button. Come on, everybody. Let's get going. We need 100 likes to get YouTube to suggest the content. Here we go. 1 minute to go. Let's get ready to rock and roll. It's going to be a great day today. We're going to make some money today. This could be $100,000 day. Oh, get in. Ooh, I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. All right, you ready? Here we go. Bloody hell, every time there's a buying opportunity, my nose itches. It literally, tells me. It's like I'm like the bewitched. Like, the little witch. Anyway, always, every time there's a buying opportunity, my nose itches. Every single time. Right, look at that. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Take it down, take it down. Come on, let's see 110, let's see 90, let's see 50 cents. All right, here we go. You ready? For a great morning. It's getting exciting. Here we go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's rock and roll. Woohoo! Yay! 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 Go on! Let's have it! Let's have it! Let's have it! Let's have it! Come on, let's have it! Let's have it! Come on, let's have it. We'll give it 5 minutes. We'll give it 5 minutes. Come on, let's have it. Shall we buy it now? Should we buy it? No, I'm going to wait a little bit longer because I don't need to buy. I've got $950,000 in it now. I don't care. Right, that's the way to buy stuff when you just don't give a damn. Right, we're down $8,000 today. Do we care? No, we're up on the year to date. We're not bothered anyway. Right, so we are... What the hell happened there? What happened there? Oh my God, that doesn't matter. The S&P, right, Virgin Galactic going down. I wouldn't be buying that today at all. SpaceX is on the way down, 116, 115, 115.82. Let's have it, let's have it. We've got 60 grand. Let's have it. Palantir is up today. Gold is flat. Why anyone buys this stuff, I don't know. Hedges, it doesn't do anything. Hedge against inflation, it doesn't do it. Just scared money doesn't make money. Oh, 114! I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. SpaceX is 114. Enphase Energy going down. Be careful. Coca-Cola, I sold it at the top again. I warned it, it's not going to go up yet until all this settles down. Down goes SpaceX, 115.34. 115, we're loving it, loving it, loving it. Chevron oil is down. Tesla is up, but hardly. McDonald's going up today. We've got Google going up. I'm loving it. We've got Microsoft. We've got, oh, this is getting nice. Microsoft is up today. Meta is is flat. Nvidia going down. I did tell you I sold it at 220. Walmart getting closer to the AI play of $100. Tilray Brands no value at all. This nonsense about Trump's deal, it doesn't affect them at all. Robinhood going down because crypto's going down. Vertical Aerospace, everyone took profit to buy SpaceX. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Taiwan Semiconductor, Bitcoin down 1.53. XRP going down. We sold it, top lots at 115. We told everybody there was going to be a problem, and there was. Let's go back to SpaceX, see if we can make some money now. We're a few minutes in. We're a few minutes in now to SpaceX. Let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at it. I'm going to put SpaceX on the screen. I'm going to try and buy some more. We've got 60 grand. We'll do the whole 60 grand. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. How much low are we going to go? And bam, bam. Welcome to the big show. It's going to be a great day today. I'm excited. Woohoo! Come on. Take it down. Let me have it. Let me have it. Oh! There we go. There we go. Bye. How much? How much money have I got? How much money have I got? $60,000. $60,000. Here we go. Trade. Buy. Now my average is 126. Wings and let's get the Phoenix. Bam ba da da da. Bam bam ba da 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 dum da 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 dum dum da 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 dum da 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 dum dum da 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 dum da 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 da. Okay. Bam ba 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 bam ba ba da ba da da ba bam bam. Limit order. We'll buy. We'll set to 115. Let's put 115. Put 115.80. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. And we'll go 500 shares. 550 shares. Whoops. 550 shares. 60. 530 shares. 520 shares. 115.80. 115.50. Swipe up. Go. 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 Go, 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 go. Yes! 115.50. Get in. Average has dropped to 125.78. Loving it, loving it, loving it. There we go. My average has just dropped to 125.78. That's my lowest average so far. $10 below the IPO price. I am loving it. We got more shares now because we sold this morning on those higher lots. We've bought back on the lower lots. We've lowered our average. What was our average before that? Can anyone remind me? Can anyone remind me what my average was before that? It's now 125. Right, let me share this on Discord for all my members. Woohoo! Now we're going up. Fan-bloody-tastic. Can anyone remind me what my average was? Was it 126, wasn't it? Can anyone remind me? Yeah, 126. Yep, it's come down. Happy days. Right, let me share that with my Discordians who missed it and on YouTube Electrum. It's going down lower. Yay! We'll sell some more top lots on the next bounce in a minute. SpaceX, there we go. 115. Average now 125. Getting better. So then, let's get that trade. Let's put that out. Woohoo! Now, as long as you're always improving, always moving, you're not competing against anybody. You're only competing against yourself. Doesn't matter what everybody else is doing. Doesn't matter if everyone goes, well, I got an average of 50 pence. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I've got more money than you. What matters is you're moving forward. So you're going to go, oh, you could have got it for less. I don't care. I'm moving. I'm profiting all the time. I profited by going up. I'm profiting by going down. Just keep moving, and keep winning. So how many did I buy this time? 520 shares purchased. Lovely. Let's go into Discord. Share that. This is in Martyn's trades for those that missed it this morning. If you clip the show, you can earn yourself 100 Luke coins as well. Only the first person to do it. And please only clip the show when I'm doing a trade. Don't clip the show and try to earn 100 coins because we take them back. It's not there for that. It's for you to clip the show when I do a trade so it shares it instantly, because I can't do it instantly. I'm doing it now. So please don't do that. All right, we'll take the coins away. Martyn's trade. So at everyone just bought back lower 520 shares of SpaceX lowered average. Okie dokie. Was it 520? Make sure I got that right. Yeah, 520. Okay. Copy. Bought that there. Share that on, if you could all acknowledge that, please, so I know you seeing these things. Now we're going to go over to YouTube Electrum, because it's part of their package as well, that they get the trades when I do them. These are 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So at 3 o'clock in the morning, if I'm doing a trade, I'm buying, I've moved into one different stock, you will know about it as an Electrum member or a Discordian. All right, we're all together. There we go. Channel members, Electrum and higher. Right, thank you guys for acknowledging that. Appreciate it. To give a shout out to Mike Casey, Petra, CRJ, 2057, and Miguel. You've all reacted already. Thank you very much indeed. I appreciate all of that. Okay. All right. Now then. What we're looking for now is to sell some other lots because we bought lower. So what we do now is go to trade, sell. Let's get some more liquidity to buy some more lower because now we're even lower, right? So we go to tax lots. We go here. We sort from the top again. We won't have today's lots. Today is a new low. Lovely. We won't have that one. You see at the top there, it's not available. Right? Now, as you can see, everything is in the red again. We had some green this morning. That's why we sold those middle lots. It's gone back down. So if we hadn't have sold, we couldn't have bought this lower lot this morning. We wouldn't have made profit up there. We wouldn't have been a buy down here. We'd have been stuck. All right? That's not a good place to be. And we're going to rally into the launch. Of course we are. No question about it. It's such an easy trade, this one. So what we're looking for now is we want to sell somewhere up around about here. Maybe 19, somewhere up there. So halfway up the lots, we want to go now, and we can sell that one up there. That will bring us the money back in again for another dip. So we're looking now for around about the 119, 118, 119, somewhere like that. We can start getting a little bit more, pushing it a bit more each time, making the positions bigger and bigger. So now what we got to look out for is we could set limit orders. We could do all kinds of things, but I don't front run it. I know for a fact that data centers see what you're doing. I know the whole world's doing it. No one cares what I'm doing. But as we get bigger, people do. Certainly on small stocks. Things like Virgin Galactic, we put all our trades in, limit orders in. Whole world knows what we're buying, and you'll always lose. So we know that for a fact. So we're not going to do that. We're going to sit here and we're going to enjoy the fact that we're going to go down for a while. All right? And that's just the way it is. Right, 34% is our margin buffer. We've been as low as 32. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use that $300 cash and just buy some SpaceX. I'm not going to create a position on a trade for this. It's just $300. It's just a little bit of cash sitting around doing nothing. There we go. Just a little bit more. We'll just buy that. It's not a trade. Well, it is a trade. I've just bought 2 shares, but that's just improved our average microscopically, all right? Because when you got $1 million, $300 isn't going to do a difference, but it's worth just getting for 114 because that's my newest low. That's another lot. Not a lot, not a lot of a lot, but it's another new low. All right. So $300, it was worth it. Now, if we get a crypto bounce, I could use the 30 odd grand in crypto to buy even lower today. But we've already trimmed off the top. We know that crypto is now going down the toilet for a while. This is why everyone's selling it. But I'm making money on my Ethereum and my Solana locked up while everyone sells. I will buy more, but I'm not going to trim that. There really isn't any point. We've already trimmed off the top. Thank God we did. But if I get a margin call and the world comes to an end and everyone comes knocking on my door, then I'll sell my crypto and I'll sell it for whatever I can and pay off, to protect myself. But that's not going to happen. I've also got the Roth IRA. I've got other ways to raise capital if I ended up getting, really in the poop. But I don't see that happening. Anyway, now we're running down lower and lower and lower. So how low are we going to go? We're going to have a nice big dip today. Opportunity to buy. There's no unlocks today. There's no sudden everyone's selling today. All we're doing now is selling before the launch. So this is a chance to pick up some on the way down to get a launch bounce. So I've done my bit until we bounce to 118, 19. I can't sell any more lots. I can't buy any more lower ones. That's kind of my chips. I'm there for now. Right. Let's come back to questions. Where are we? 12165. That's your average. Very nice. SpaceX is going to 100. It could do. I've said I can see that's the lowest. I don't see this $50 as a real thing. Epic moment. We have a launch today. Audio problems. What's the problem with the audio? Let's have a look. 165. No, audio's tested and audio's fine. Is it today going to be down all day at SpaceX? I thought it would be a green day. No sound. No sound? What happened? No sound. That screen looks all right. That screen is okay as well. No sound. Audio in and out. Exit the live stream and then come back in again. Oh, that'll fix the audio. Delay in video and sound. Yeah, audio is good. Just exit and come back in again. It's your end. Alan Pratt. My average is about 170 for SP. Is that SpaceX? And how do I get out of it? How do I do what you're doing? Do I sell and take the hit or hold? I can sell for what I paid. Alan Pratt, well, the only way to really answer your question would be to go, deep with you. So you need to call in. If you want to call in, we'll discuss it on the show, or if you're a Discord member, we'll have a stage event today. You can call in, have a conversation. I can't answer that in one word or a sentence. That's very complex. We need to discuss it. Happy to do it. If you want to call in, Alan, you are a member. You can call into the show and talk to me. So this is for Alan, just Alan only, live phone in. So Alan, if you want to call into the show, there's the live link up. Just for Alan this morning, he's requested it. He wants to speak to me. If you want to be live on the show, you can call in. You've got to be on camera. Just put that into a browser, a Chrome browser, whatever, and call in, and you can be on the show. If not, you can call in on the Discord event later if you're not a Discord member. Here is the link to become a Discord member. I think it's pinned to the top. Yes, it is. There you go. So let's have a discussion about that, but I couldn't possibly just say in one sentence here in a minute. Let's have a look. Let me go back up. I don't want to miss anyone's questions. Right. One big family, Crypto Savage. Yeah, and we're getting bigger every day. Martyn, can you explain cost basis to us newbies and veterans? I have to focus on the members right now because we are very busy. I'm going to do members only questions, CD Burlock. I'm sure you understand. We've got 400 people watching and I have to answer all my members' questions first. All right? Sounds great. There's no issue with the sound. Audio is on. Sync is not important. Just go out and back in again. Never mind, just when out and back in, sound is fine. Nice. Just got an under 114. I'm loving it. Logan, congratulations. Going down to 90, bros. Just make it up. You might as well. Just say anything if you want. If VIX spikes to 80 but credit spread remains stable, it's a buying opportunity. It's not as straightforward as that at all. If it was like that, everybody would make money and never lose and the system wouldn't work. Anyway, Philip, how are you? Hello, friend. I invested a good amount of SpaceX. My average is 206 with a total of 257. Any hope of it going up? Your average is 206. Okay, well, obviously you are not a member of our channel. We advise not to do that. It will take a while for you to get back up there. No question about it. We've got a price target of 240 and 250. You are going to struggle for a while to get up to there, but yeah. What you can do. Again, I need to discuss this. Again, if you want to call in, you can. I've just given you the link in the chat. You can call in as well. Oh, you know, you have to be a member to call in. What you can do, if you bought a 206, there's a strong idea to actually... oh, we got the Golden Eagle. The Golden Eagle is in the show. It's not a magic one today. The Bold Eagle of America. Good try. If you find the magic jewels, there's special reactions. That is not one of the special ones. It is a special one. It got read out, but it's not one of the special effect ones. Okay, there's quite a few today. There's about 6 special ones to find with big reactions. Anyway, so again, I need to discuss with you, but a good strategy at that level is sell for a loss. You'll then post a tax loss. You have to wait 30 days for a wash sale rule and then buy back on 31 days, 1 month later, a 30-day wash rule. And I'm pretty certain it will not be at $206 in 30 days. You could then buy back for less and post a loss and benefit from the gain. That's not you bought at the wrong price, no question. You bought on the IPO pump. If you sold for a loss today and wait 30 days, again, I need to discuss it with you. This is not financial advice. Come on to Discord, become a member, and we'll go through it, go through it in detail. But if you sold for a loss at 206, bought back today at 115 right now. Sorry, don't buy back today because you can't. Wait 30 days. The chances are you'll be able to buy back.
Gifted fortune cookie X 380
hey,
jewels.
We got a fortune cookie. We got a fortune cookie from Anubis. Congratulations for discovering one of the magic jewels.
John Granfor's 4,704.
It's not one of the big. That's John Granfor.
Jewels.
It's not one of the big special effects ones, but yeah, a wash sale rule applies. Doesn't apply to crypto, by the way. So you can sell and buy back for a loss same day, and that works. This is a little loophole. Anyway, let's go down. Reading all these comments. Everyone said the sound is fine. Yes. So we hear you fine. My average is 132 on SpaceX. John Granfor, same thing. Well, not for you. Your average is too low. If you sold today, you could be out of the money in 30 days because we could be at 140, 150 in 30 days. There's lots of ways of looking at this. If you think the unlocks are going to get everyone to sell and dump, that's one way of looking at it. I don't agree with that. Losses roll over by year for crypto. What do you mean roll over? You can sell and buy back instantly. You don't have to wait 30 days. No wash rule on crypto, and it rolls over as well. If you lose money today, you can pass it on to next year. Let's have a look. I just got... Hey, big spender. Easy there, Tiger. We've got $1 million in play now, yeah. Just bought more SpaceX, and my average 114. Thanks, Martyn. Congratulations, mate. Eric Orman, 114, your average. Oh, I wished. Take the loss. Yeah, absolutely. He bought way too high. He could take the loss, buy back in 30 days, and he'd be better off. But again, can't give financial advice. Don't know who we're talking to. Have no idea. So anyway, it's always best to call in. Apple, right? You didn't want to call in, so I'm going to close the the phone in. I gave the opportunity to phone in. You chose not to, so I can't really help you anymore. Good. Google blasting off. Apple is running right now. If millions of traders watch the same support level, does technical analysis work because it's predictive or because, right, that's exactly why I don't use charts. I buy value. Couldn't care less what the chart says. I do refer to it, but I don't trade on it. Oh, now we're dropping. 113.81. Ho, ho, ho. It's going lower and lower and lower now. This is fantastic. Unfortunately, I can't buy anymore now. Until my lots go up, I can't buy anymore. But here we go. I just bought some lower. Remember, it doesn't matter if you beat anyone else. What's important is you constantly beat yourself and remain in the game. Everyone's going to predict it's going to go to 100, 90, 50, 10, 1 cent. They're not even in the market. So remember, the banks, institutions all paid 140s and 150s. They're not selling. This is short selling. This is retail and playing the game. Let it go down. I have no problem with that. What is my margin buffer now? Margin buffer now is 34%. That's when I hit a margin call. So we are losing money at the moment. That's okay. Not a problem. On the next little bounce, we will sell the next higher lots and do it all over again. This will happen all throughout the day today until the launch in 8 hours and 51 minutes. So let's go through all our positions and see what's moving today. So hang on a minute. I need to put back my duplicate. Hang on, where is it? I just lost one of my screens. There we go. Bring that back. There you go. That's what I want. You can tell it's a Friday. The computer gets like, it needs its reboot on the weekend. Things start falling over come Friday. Right, there you go. Down 24 grand today. Are we worried? No, of course we're not. We've got $1 million in play. And with margin, of course you're going to go down that sort of amount of money. Right, the S&P is going down. There you go. Don't want to be in the S&P now. It's gone absolutely nowhere. Anyone who's sitting in the S&P is losing all their money. If you are a 401k trader, investor, and you're just buying the S&P because your granny told you to, or the government told you to, you're losing all your money because we're in for a big, big crash. We've got the carry trade, all sorts of stuff. And sitting there now, you're just going down and down. It's these tariffs are affecting the market again. America's debt is spiraling. The war is getting worse. Inflation is not coming down the way Trump wants it to. Rates aren't coming down the way Trump wants it to. None of it's going to happen because they can't, because the war is just crippling everything. Anyway, there it is. The S&P is not the place to be at all. Totally the worst place to be. Virgin Galactic, I warned you, when people are saying today, I'm buying Virgin Galactic, it's going to go a lot lower on the back of SpaceX, and no real money's there. It's going into SpaceX. You can see a massive bounce today. So there it is. SpaceX, as you can see, is running down. We just sold our 118 lots today, and then we bought back at 14.50. So we're much better today. But even though we're down overall, we're in a much better position than we were this morning. Even though it's gone down, we're in a better position than we were this morning. So when we get our next bounce, we'll do it all over again. So there you go. Palantir going down. Gold, don't see any point. Amazon going down. Apple is up 1.87 at the top of the tree, doing well. Enphase Energy. They're worried about rate hikes now. Rate hikes are back on the table with all of this. Coca-Cola has a little bounce this morning, but even defensive isn't looking healthy. I don't want to be there either. We've made enough money out of Coca-Cola. We're not going to give it back. J&J defensive. Not all defenses are the same. That one's looking much stronger now than Coca-Cola. Tesla going down. That's because SpaceX is going to acquire Tesla. Tesla could go to $80 and then boom, once it's taken over, but it will drop lower. And that's what Elon Musk wants. I mean, get Tesla worth nothing and just stroll in and take over. It's, it's easy, isn't it? It's easy. Why not? Why not? I mean, every good reason. It's rubbish for Tesla shareholders. Brilliant for SpaceX. If we can end up getting Tesla for nothing, if Tesla goes down to $80, which it could do as a SpaceX merger, this will keep going down and down and down and down and down. Elon will make sure of that. Then he'll buy Tesla with SpaceX, and then SpaceX will go up. It's going to be awesome. Absolutely awesome. That's why I'm not buying Tesla, I'm buying SpaceX. McDonald's going up. Google having a nice little rally today, up 1.5. Microsoft is flat. Meta's going down. Nvidia's going down. No surprise there. Walmart heading towards that 100 where it looks interesting. Now, this morning, we had a little news story and everybody online tried to make it great. Trump's just agreed for the psychedelic, whatever it is. I said it doesn't affect this sector at all. And it keeps going down. There's no value here whatsoever. Tilray Brands, all of it now could go bust. There is no deal. There's not going to be a deal. Trump is not focusing on this at all. He's got bigger problems to worry about.
I can't believe this.
That sector there. Oh, we got a new member.
Saudi one has become a member.
We got a new member. I'll come to you in a second then. Robinhood going down because crypto's all going down. We had the bounce, vertical aerospace. You all had the chance. We were there live at the biggest air show in the world. We told you what was going to happen. All these new products came out, big bounces, told everyone to take profit, told you it's going to go down. Guess what? It went down. Look at it.
Loy gifted Stay Hydrated X500.
Stay hydrated. It's a magic one today. Woohoo! All right. One more stay hydrated. We get the whiskey bottle out. We get the whiskey bottle out. I'm loving it. So there you go. Taiwan semis down. Bitcoin down. We sold the top. We warned everybody of it, and now it's happened. So Ethereum, the same deal. Ethereum's gone down. We're staking that, so we're not really worried about it. So let's come back to SpaceX. Let's go back to it now. Here we go. So starting to get our first little bounce this morning. Well, not our first, our second bounce. Now we want to sell some top lots now at the 119s, and then we can do it again all the way through the launch. Up to the launch. We want to get more and more at lower and lower prices. We're going to have massive swings. I've got William Bond has gifted 20 memberships. Holy macaroni. Everyone's winning a membership today. Wow, 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 wow. You can get all of my trades now. Well, there is a way you can if you take advantage of it. Look at this.
I can't believe this.
Drizzly, you have just won a membership. Now then, let me explain the memberships, folks. Many of you don't know what this is about, so let me explain it. William Bond, one of our friends, our admin on Discord, one of our members here, has just donated 20 YouTube
I can't
memberships.
believe this.
There's Jeremy. Look at that. Jeremy. Look at that. Look at that. Now, let me explain to you. 20 members now. Please say thank you to William Bond. He's literally paid for your memberships this morning. He's literally paid for your memberships this morning. Would you please give him a big thank you? Now, what do you do? Now you've got.
I can't believe this.
Manny Clement has won a membership. Now, what do you do with your membership? You can do absolutely nothing. You can take a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. There's many people that will just not do anything. But if you want to do something about it, let me show you what you can do and what the benefits to you for doing that are. So let me do that now. Let me come out of my launch screen for the moment and go over to YouTube, right? So here is the homepage of the channel, all right? So what you could do is this. I'm going to switch accounts to my Martyn Lucas account. All right. So I'm in as my other self, right? And on the homepage, there, Gus Phillips, U11, go on the homepage of the channel and you see it says memberships. You've just been given a bronze membership, not for free. It's been paid for by William Bond, one of our viewers, one of our friends. He's our admin on Discord. All right. Go to the membership page, click it, and you will see. I can't believe this. You will see. There we go. That's one. God bless. You have won a bronze membership. Let me just make that bigger. Here we go. There we go. I'll make that bigger. You have won a bronze membership. See that there? Look. That's what you've got right there. A bronze membership. Now, you could do nothing about that. You could just leave it. I can't believe this. Oh, there, go falling knife. Go falling knife. We love catching falling knives. Catch them carefully, and that's how you make money. So there is the bronze membership that you just won. Now, if you do nothing, you stay a bronze member. I'll tell you what you get as a bronze member in a minute. But what you should do, because you've been basically given a free trial, because someone, William, has paid for your membership. Scroll across to the right. That's Inked Up DK. Good morning to you, Inked Up. Go over here and upgrade your service. If you click upgrade, you've basically got like a 30% discount because William has paid for your bronze membership. Now, what you can do is you can go here to Electrum because you can't believe this. Another new member, John Manfredo. This has been donated by William. You can click on Electrum. Now, then you will get a 30% discount because you've already got the bronze membership paid for you. It's an amazing gift. Now, what do you get? What do you get if you do that? Well, let me come back out of here and I'll tell you. I can't believe this. Let me come back to SpaceX a minute. All right. And I'll tell you what you get for that and why you should do it. So, first of all, if you see here on the channel, we have just won, again, 5 years in a row. Number one, we've got our verification tick from YouTube. See this here? On a financial channel. I can't believe this. Another new member, Ken. This is a big deal for a financial channel. This tick is from YouTube, and it means we are genuine and authentic. That's rare in the investing space. We have that. Very, very good. We have that. Okay. Now, we've just won best practices on YouTube. Let me show you what this is for the memberships. I can't believe this. Another one, Matt. Let me go to my post. I shared it on X a few days ago. Where was it? I want to share with you this here to tell you about the memberships. It's a couple of days ago. But for 5 years in a row, I can't believe this. We've won the award for best practice and best value memberships on YouTube. Take me a second to find it. I've got rather a lot of posts. But I want to show you what you get for your membership and why you should upgrade this specifically because you've just been paid. You just had a membership brought to you. I can't believe this. Another one, Rival Mistaken. Where is it? Keep going. I will find it in a minute. I put a lot of posts out, folks. Every 30 minutes, I put a short out, recapping the entire day. So there's quite a few posts that go out. I can't believe this. That's a Eat Trade. SpaceX getting a bounce now. It's not nowhere near until it gets to 118, 119. Where is it? How many more bloody posts? Oh, here we go. Finally. I can't believe this. So, another one. Anonymous. Look, we got this. Award from YouTube. We did it again. Promise made, promise kept. Another year goes by. 5 now. This is on our X. YouTube recommends we increase our prices. Again, I said no. Best value again from YouTube. I can't believe this. Here are our memberships. Look at this. No change in 5 years. No change from YouTube. None. They recommend that we increase the bronze, which you've just been paid for free, to it's worth $5.99.
I can't believe this.
We said no. We could double it if we want to. And we have this one, the Electrum, which is what I'm talking about, $9.99. They said it's worth $19.99 recommended. We have said no. There you go. Now, these are our memberships. We've won the award of best practices and best value for 5 years in a row. I'm now going to explain to you what you get for the memberships, because all of you, 20 of you won memberships, right, from William. If you are a member now and you are a bronze member, you get members-only live streams, right? Members-only videos. Now, why is that important? Well, because all our important, big important videos, live streams, are members-only. We do free stock analysis. We do reviews. We do, let me go back over to SpaceX again. We do meet the CEO. Vaz has met several CEOs his last few days at the air show. They were going to be members-only events. We've got many interviews of CEOs. If you are a member, in a minute when it gets busy, I can go, if it gets too busy on the show, I go members only. So all members get their questions answered. So every day, you're never left behind. You're not just watching a channel, you are the channel. You are the stars of the show. So if you are a member, and we're in members only mode, and we can switch to it at any moment, I'll do it in a minute, I will read out your comment. No one gets left behind. No one is ignored. Everyone can have a question answered. Members can call into the show. You saw me earlier. I gave a link inviting people to call in. One of our members had a question. I gave him a link. He chose not to, but he could have done. He's a member. If you comment to a video, if you have a question after it's a video or a live streams process later on today, if you comment, I reply to every single member. No AI, no bots, no secretary. No YouTube channel on earth does that. I reply to every single member. I work 15-hour days now to answering every single question. I also engage with you on social media. Now then, that's the bronze membership for a couple of bucks. Once you buy it, there's no price increase ever. No inflation ever. Ever. Now, that's a pretty good selling point right there. Now then, if you go Electrum membership, you get, in addition to all of that, 2 stage events a week, wherever possible, free stock analysis, so you don't have to pay for it, like $10, like standard members. We also play Spin the Wheel, where you can win one for free, right? And we try and do as many of those as possible, okay? Now, you also get 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all my trades. Whenever I'm buying, whenever I'm selling, whenever there's some news, I will share the trade on the community tab of YouTube, and it's Electrum and up. So Electrum, Gold, Platinum, Investor level. You will get all of those trades 24/7. That's what you get as an Electrum member. If you are a Gold member, I give you, for an extra $9 a month, I think it is, my time, 1 hour a month, private video call. Now, my time is currently worth $700 an hour. That's what I earn in an hour. That's my time. I give that to you for $9. So for $9 extra, you can have a Gold membership. Now, if you are a business, we don't take any corporate sponsorship on this channel at all. Zero. None. But you, as a viewer, can promote your business for $99 a month. And that includes bronze, silver, gold, Electrum, all the other stuff. So an extra sort of $30 or whatever it is, 20, whatever it is, you become a sponsor member. And I can promote your YouTube channel, introduce, every day, tell everybody about it. I put you on the homepage of the channel, a little icon at the top. You might see at the moment, there's Charlotte May Weddings. Theirs has just expired. I'm about to take it off. They're coming back as a sponsor in October, but they're coming off now. So at the moment, you can go and click on their website, click on their YouTube channel, whatever. I can do that for you. Or if you want to join the 2 elite whales we have, the investor level, it's $500 a month, includes everything else and your own videos, your own live streams. That's for our super whales that are on our server as well. So there you go. That's what memberships do. And if you do nothing after you are just given a membership, then you're wasting it. you're not getting any of the perks and benefits. It's an opportunity for you to try it. It's an opportunity for you to see how it works. If you don't like it, you can always cancel. There it is. So there you go. I've explained how the membership works. Okay. Now then, let's get back to our questions. What we're going to do now, because we are getting very busy in the chat and I'm missing people out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out of there and I'm going to go to members only, because there's lots of people asking questions and I'm missing people. So let me change to members only. You can see me doing it. Look, I'm going to go to members only. So if you could please repeat your question now, rather than me scroll up and try to find it, repeat it again and I'll answer it and I'll share everyone's comment on the screen. We are now in members only mode because we're very busy and there are people getting left behind, people not getting their questions answered, and we can't have that. We can't have that. If you are over on the phone, join us on the main stream. I see there's quite a few of you watching on the phones today. The link is at the top, pinned to the top. Okay. So we are in members only mode now. So please repeat your question. So Starlight, hello, how you doing? We got Liz talking German to our German customers, our German members. I love that. I love the fact we have multi-languages now in the channel. This is absolutely great. We go out to 76 countries and now we have quite a few female German females in the show. A lot of ladies from Germany watch our show. There we go. It's nice, isn't it? Nice. 13.8% of our audience are ladies. The average for channels that cover stocks is 1%. So it's really nice that we have the really high engagement of ladies. So I love seeing Liz speak German to our German audience. It's wonderful. I want to see Japanese, Chinese, French. I want to see all of it because we already have that global audience, but now we have communities inside the community. Liz can speak German to her German friends, and you don't have to speak English here. It's absolutely brilliant. I absolutely love it. So anyway, there you go. How high will the bounce be in your opinion? 120? I could see it going way past that tonight. Yeah, 130, 140 on the flight, and then I can sell all my top lots. I can pay off all my margin. And my average will come plummeting down, and then after the flight, after the mission, the launch, I can buy back much lower and use my margin again. So yeah, it's going to be if that happens, I think it's inevitable. To be honest, it's going to be great. Anyway, have you now abandoned SPCE in favour of SpaceX? No, but for now I have. Yeah, because the money isn't there. Big money is going into SpaceX. It would be crazy to try and outwit SpaceX and put your money in Virgin Galactic. It would be all-out gambling. You can see, look, we've now got Virgin Galactic dropped down to 253. I'm still up like 9% on it. It's got to go down another 9%. Like 190. But bearing in mind, if it goes below 2, it could also go bankrupt. It's cheap enough to buy it here. If anybody wants a lucky dip, go for it. But I think right now, the game in town has changed into SpaceX, and you can't ignore it. You can be bullish and do whatever you want, but it isn't going to help you if no one else is joining you. All right? It's just the way it works. Hello, Martyn. Says, where am I? Hello, Martyn. No questions now. I follow you a little again. Almost out of cash again. 130. Oh, wow, 113. Look at you. Is that your average? Is that your average, Liz? 113. Hey, proud of you. That's very good. What we got here? Terry Rose. I found that when I use margin instead of stock, Robinhood keeps the money and my buying power is 0. Help. I found that when I use margin instead of stock,
I can't believe
Robinhood keeps the money.
Derek Grieve 8753 has become a member.
Terry Rose, Robinhood doesn't keep your money. So what happens is this. It's great. I like that. You can't use margin until you've used all your money. Okay? So if you use all your money's gone. Now you're using the Robinhood's money. Okay? So they will give you so much money. They will give you X amount of money to spend. If you spend all the margin and there is none, there's zero buying power. When you sell, your buying power will go up, but you'll still be in margin until you've paid all your margin off. All right? You have no cash of your own until all the margin is paid off. You're playing with their money. So that Robinhood isn't keeping your money. If you're using margin until you've paid all your margin off, you have no cash balance. You have buying power balance, margin balance. All right? They're not keeping your money. Terry, you're all good, mate. Don't worry. Do we know if SpaceX's earnings have been confirmed to be before SPCEs? Would be nice to have two potential catalysts. Right. Okay, let me have a look at that then. So we've got Virgin Galactic's earnings is scheduled for expected August 5th. Expected August 5th. That could move, but August 5th is expected. For SpaceX, the earnings call is expected August 4th, the day before. So it looks like SpaceX will report before before Virgin Galactic. Now we're 113.60. We're still falling. Now we're speaking Spanish. Anybody in the chat Spanish? If we have a Spanish audience, you can now speak to This Way Deaf Gaming. Yes. In fact, anyone now, we have 76 countries. If you are, your native language is not English, please feel free, because we have a multilingual, multi-country audience. So please do speak in your language. I think it'd be lovely to see it. No problem with that at all. Don't expect me to answer your questions in every language, but please do. I know only Melanie. Bloody hell, says Diesel. If needed Portuguese support, I can help too. There you go. Anyone in Portuguese, talk in your native language and see if someone responds. All right? We can build up communities inside communities. That was my question. All languages. Yes, indeed. Liz, here we go. We got different. If it's in different languages, I just won't answer it. Obviously, I'm not going to get into all that. Can you buy back a stock that you sold the same day? Yes, of course you can. Not for a tax loss, you can't. That's a 30-day wash rule. But yeah, you can buy and sell million times a day. All right, no limits. You need to watch me gaming. I speak 5. I love it. Silver Star. We got there we go. Derek just became a member. What membership did you go for? Let me have a look. Derek is a bronze member. Welcome to you. Congratulations. Thank you, Derek. Hey, we got the high five. It's not one of the magic ones, I'm afraid. All in 550 shares of SpaceX. Congratulations, Joey. You told us you had full control over SPCE. I'm sure a lot of us bought in based on this. We do. We do. And we discussed it in Discord and decided to sell. We all agreed it. In Discord, we sat around, we had a vote, and we said, shall we sell SpaceX? Shall we sell Virgin Galactic? We all made a profit. We were 20% up. We bought SpaceX with it. We had a vote and a poll. Absolutely. And when we're ready, we'll buy back if conditions allow. But yeah, you got to stay up to date with it, Gareth. But again, you can't rely on my trades. If you're not, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm simply sharing with you my positions. You do what you want. But if you are an Electrum member, you will know all my trades. We share them live with you as it happens. If you are a Discord Pro member, you will get all of my trades 24/7. You can attend the stage events, which we also now summarize, so you can see them if you missed them. We give you the information. It's all there. If you choose not to see or watch, I'm not responsible for your trades. I'm here to help support people, but I'm not here to, tell you what to do. Anyway, 113.81. I'm loving it. Great. We're talking different languages in the chat. I'm loving this now. Alan, sorry I couldn't call in. I'm in Scotland and at work. Okay. Don't worry about that. Another time. The shares are in my SIP. Thank you so much for the kind offer. I'll just keep monitoring. You only become a member yesterday. Alan Pratt, it's lovely to have you here. If you're on Discord, we have 2-stage events every day, and you could join us for that and call in there. It's a private space as well, away from YouTube. Derek, hi Martyn, how you doing? Can you explain? We're having a private conversation going on. Average 120. Joey, lovely. It was French. I'm loving it. We got all sorts of languages now. Oh, I'm loving it. So please look out for the different languages. We now have 176 countries, different languages, and people are having conversations with each other. I absolutely love it. Italian, Spanish, Greek, German, English. I love it. Look at this. Lithuanian here. Lithuanian. Speaking your language. See somebody pops up. See if someone pops up. I love it. Gaming is on Google. Now we've got Israeli, I believe. This is just, was that Hebrew? Is that Hebrew? This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. High five, Zach, for all checks here. I can translate. Petra Menorca wants to translate into Czech. Petra Menorca can speak Czech. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. We are now a global multilingual channel. Thank you. I'm loving it. And people are doing it. Look, people are actually doing it. They're talking in their actual languages with each other. They're making friends with different people around the world. You don't see this anywhere, folks. This is amazing. 76 countries, a real multinational, international channel. As a UK Robinhood investor, I wonder if it's best selling before the flight, as I'll be locked out of the market for the whole weekend. So will everybody. Mike Casey, that's not different to you. As a Robinhood UK investor, everybody is, I see. No. The market is on US time. So you are buying shares on the US market. So you've got the same time as everybody else. 24/7, 24/5. SpaceX is 24/5. So 7 p.m. tonight Central, which for you is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 a.m. in the morning. You've got until. So after the flight, you can trade all the way through the launch tonight, which is what I'll be doing. 112 Arco books, bids are coming in. Hi, folks. Brocker Badley. What do you mean by that? Hi, folks. Greetings and good cheer from the UK. Looking forward to learning a lot. Scooty, it's lovely to have you here. Super Bob, all these multi-languages. I'm loving it. I speak English and Lucasade. Hey, spell Lucasade properly though, mate. Got a nice load of SpaceX. 113. Oh, look at you lot. N. Thomas, I'm loving it. Shalom. Here. Today is a good day for SpaceX. Have I missed why it's dropping? Why? No reason. The launch is on schedule. Everything is as it should be. And we are waiting for the launch to happen. Let me get some updates here. SpaceX launch. Yep. Still targeting tonight. Everything is on track. Everything is on track. It's everyone selling before the launch, and then they buy it back up again. It's great. I've run out of money. I can't buy anymore. I traded already this morning. I've already made my moves. That's interesting. Where did that come from? Very interesting. Right. Let me go to SpaceX. Yep, we'll wait. All launches, all systems go. I love all this multi-language stuff now. This is great. This is Redneck. Hold my beer and watch this. Love it, RB. Absolutely love it. I speak every language at once when I'm drunk. So do I, mate. Oh, hello. We got a special guest. The pub today, yes, it will follow the launch.
At diesel_Ada tipped $1.99 through Super Chat.
Yeah.
Pub today?
Yeah, it will follow the
Fatho.
launch. It will follow the launch. I'll set that up in a minute. There you go. 112 are the new bids. Are they filled? RB. Hello. Super River Lady. I think she's talking Dutch. We've got all sorts of countries now speaking. I love it. I speak normal English. Arkansan and LA gang. 113 is a good price right now. Yeah. Now, oh, look at it. Oh, I wish I could buy some more. I mean, I done well today. I sold at 118, bought back at 115. Now it's 112. Oh, brilliant. So anyway, sold 850 shares of Virgin Galactic at break even, 20 shares of SpaceX at 130. Oh, nice. Why is FTOLs dropping every day? Because they popped on the launches at the FTOL show, at the air show. Now they're selling off. Everyone's buying SpaceX. Everyone's selling everything today. You wait. SpaceX is going to go nuts in a minute. Absolutely nuts. Anyway, video of launch looks frozen. Oh, is it? You're absolutely right. Thank you. Thank you very much indeed. There it is. It's moving now. How did you see that? It's so small. But yeah, it's live now. For some reason I stopped it. Don't know why. Anyway, there it is. Thank you very much for checking. That was awesome. How much does SpaceX have to jump today for you to make profit on the week? To make profit on the week, well, I'm down big on the week. Hang on. How much am I down on the week? How much does it have to go down for you on the week? I'm down 50 grand on the week. It's got to go up 13%, isn't it? It's got to go up 30. It's got to go up 7% because margin doubles it. So it's got to move 7%. That's nothing at all. I could be up on the week as soon as we fly. Yeah. I could end up the week totally green. I could be up 100 grand by the end of the day. And that's what I'm hoping for. So, yeah. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. Anyway, I love it. Very exciting day. Right, still buying here. Absolutely. I've run out of money again. I've run out of money. I can't buy anymore. When we get to 118, I'll sell another top lot and do it all over again. But there might not be a chance now. It might keep going down, and then one bloody great rally up to the flight. That's probably where we're at now. So anyway, what we're going to do is I've got Discord in half an hour. We're going to set up our trades. We're going to have this is where we do all our trades. If you want to join us, we have a training course. We have access to our newsletter, trading indicators, one-on-one support, 24/7, no ads, no AI, no bots, real investors. We got 5 away now from 900 pro investors on our account. It's incredible. All right. So I'm going to set up Discord right now for the event, which goes live in half an hour exactly from now. Let me set the event up. Create event, stage channel, pro event. What a day. What a day. Are you excited? Right, so it's 10 a.m. There it is. Upload the picture. Create event. There it is. It's in half an hour from now. Copy the link. And drop it in there. If anybody wants onboarding into Discord, you want to be part of our event this morning, I will onboard you now as well. There is the link to join us. There is the link. So it's 90% discount. It's a couple of bucks. I don't make money from Discord. I make money from investing. So we provide a service that helps people. No AI, no sponsors, No bots, no trolls, all just good people. We've actually got exactly 892 pro members. I'm looking at the exact number right now. Right, okay, so let me see if there's anybody wanting to join. Members. Oh, we have a couple of people just requested. Yes, here we go. So, Christoph has asked to join. I want to be I want to be winning finally. Well, there we go. We are a very proactive family supporting each other. Let me give you your application. You've got time to watch the video, answer all the questions, and become onboarded before our stage event. So let me drop that in there for you now. Whoops. Christoph, there you go. There is your questions. Here comes your video. Please watch it. It's there to help you and protect you and all that good stuff, and give you the answers to the questions, so we keep out the idiots. We don't want idiots in our channel. There you go. Who else have we got? We got John. John says to master trading professionally, especially on stocks. John. At John. There we go. Let me give you your video. And there you go. We're 412 now. God, I wish I could buy more. Tetai, to learn more about trading. Okay. Let me process your account. There's a few here that I'm kicking out. Obviously scammers. We can spot them a mile off now. And I'm going to give you your voice note as well. Please answer the questions. We got any more? UR field, educational. Don't know if this one looks real. Going to do some extra checks. Stand by. There we go. SpaceX going down. Upload now, please. There you go. Trestle. Trestle is God. Okay. Interesting name. Started investing early last year, ran into your videos on YouTube and loved the content. Loved the news and love the news you bring and want to follow along. Awesome stuff. Trestle is God. What does that mean? Love to get to know you and find out what that means. Right, let me send you your application. There is your application questions. There is your video. And here comes your voice note. You have just a few hours to do this. We have a waiting list, so we don't give you much time to process. It will be kicked out if it doesn't get a response. Blockchain Denmark. Blockchain Denmark. Unfortunately, we're kicking you out. You've not responded. Sadly, you never replied. So you didn't respond to anything at all. So unfortunately, I'm kicking you from the server. There we go. That's Blockchain Denmark. Didn't respond. So that's that one. Next one is Juris Cool. I think it is. You've not responded, so you're unfortunately kicked from the server. Reject. There you go. That's another one gone. Leave the group. Let's have a look. Firefly Gaming. I would like to join and learn about trading. Join the interview. You've not responded. Kick. Reject. There we go. Kick you from the server. You only get a couple of tries at this, and then you never get a chance to do it again. So if you try it again, you have to get it right next time. I trade and love the channel. That's Fishing Pierman. Oh, you've not been processed yet. Oh, you've already tried to join. So I'm going to send you a question about why you wish to join, because you've been rejected before. So you could be a scammer. We don't know. But why would you like to join? I need a good answer so we can tell you're not a bot. J Hope. You've not answered the questions correctly, so we can't let you in. Johnny, got 2 more to do. Oh, Johnny. Oh, this is Johnny 600. This doesn't look quite right, but I'm going to assume that you might be right. Johnny, let me give you your questions. Oh, we're falling now. We're falling hard. Oh, Senzo, we're buying heavy today. There is your questions. There is your video. And here comes your voice note as well. There you go. One more to do, and I'll come back to you. And then we got our Discord event in 20 minutes. That's that one. And the last one was Get Involved. Someone called Get Involved. To be part of the no BS investing community and learn from people who know what they're doing. Okay. Interview. Let me set that there. There's your questions. This was the last one. And we'll quickly refresh, make sure no one came in at the last minute. And there was your voice note. Good. Awesome. Let me refresh the screen. Did I miss anybody? Pending. Oh, yes, one right at the top. Education. You've said that you've got a newsletter email. So you might be one of Sensei's newsletter readers. That's Luigi Cord. Okay, you're saying that you're part of the newsletter. You may or may not be, of course. We don't know yet, but we're going to assume you are for now. There's your questions. There's your video. I'm going to tag Sensei in with this one because Sensei will take care of you if you are, in fact, a newsletter reader. We get people make it up. Sometimes it's true. Sometimes it's not. But I'm going to tag Sensei in there so we can take care of that. Right. So there we go. We've got the event set up. We're selling hard now. It's going to be a hell of a bounce tonight. Can't wait. 111. Oh, beautiful. So let's check any updates. We're going to have to go to our Discord event. There are no updates from SpaceX. We are still on queue. Everything is still looking good. It's going to be a hell of a bounce tonight. Let me read some of the comments and wrap this up as we go over to Discord. So, Melanie on Discord. Oh, there we go. Bit of German. See you later. See you later, Liz. Stay tuned. 111 is next. 1112 is the lowest. Come on, 110. Missing out on Coca-Cola. Let's have a look. What's Coca-Cola doing? Not really. 80. It's going up 1% today. I'm glad I sold it, though. People are buying Coca-Cola today. That is true. The S&P is still down. But I'm happy where I am. Martin, let's say my highest lot is 145. If this were you, would you sell at a loss on the pump or focus on other top lots to bring down the average? Slim, Martin, let's say my highest lot is 145. If this were you, would you sell at a loss on the pump? At 145, Well, it depends if you've got some lower lots. If you've only got 145, I don't think I'd sell at 145, no. It's only $10 above the IPO. Again, it depends how much effect that has on your portfolio. Are you all in on margin? Is it the only asset you've got? Is it a small part of your portfolio? I don't really know. I wouldn't be looking to sell for a loss. I don't like selling for losses unless there's a real good reason. So no, I don't know enough, Slim, to answer that properly, I'm afraid. I have Interactive Brokers, Ireland and eToro both support the function for lots trading. It works so much better for me. Taxes will be calculated as per FIFO later. Oh, nice, Petra. It's going to be another weather delay. Why are you saying that? There's no evidence to support that at all. Why are you saying that? Is that a non-member saying that? No, it's not. It's not a non-member. I don't see that evidence of that. We haven't got that evidence. No, I don't see that. The locker expiration coming soon. How come you think the price is going to go up? Because first of all, Ray, I think everyone's saying that everyone's going to dump. The people that are saying it are amateur YouTubers and influencers on X using ChatGPT, which they've trained badly with their own negative thoughts, to tell them everyone's going to dump. The reality is the smartest people on earth with money who don't need wages because they were able to take options, stock options to live because they have money. The smartest people aren't suddenly going to dump at $111. I don't believe that for a second. Some might take some profit, but I don't think everyone is going to dump this like everyone says they are. And even if they do, that's not until another week. It's being overpriced in, and we're going to get a bounce on a successful flight. So I absolutely don't agree. But of course, I could be wrong. But I'm going to make sure that I don't lose by keep selling my top lots and swapping them for lower lots, like I've done this morning. Martyn is one hell of a trader, but he may be an even better entertainer. Thank you very much indeed. Wake up, Neo. Thank you, mate. Brocker Badley, approximately 911 million shares, roughly 20% locked up pull, unlock on 6th of August. 2 trading days after the... Yes. But it doesn't mean everyone's going to sell, though. And the trouble is, people are incorrectly reporting this. They're saying it's going to dilute the stock. No, it's not. No, it's not. The shares are already in the system. They just can't be sold. That's all. Doesn't mean people are going to sell them at all. It doesn't mean that at all. It just means they can. I don't think they will. And we're all pricing in everyone's going to sell everything. Well, these people that have these shares that were locked up are the smartest people on earth. Why would someone who creates bad ChatGPT with their own negative, silly ideas, sat on the toilet trading on Robinhood, know better than the smartest people on earth? I don't think so. And the big institutions and the banks have already paid at 140, 150 for the stock. The real money is already buying it way higher than this. So I don't agree with this nonsense about everyone's going to sell everything. I think it's utter nonsense. However, the short interest is driving it down. Everyone's dumping it, thinking they're going to do it, which to me, as a contrarian high-frequency trader, is brilliant. I mean, absolutely brilliant. Bring it on. Take it to $1. I'll buy the old company. I mean, it's... Carry on. I don't care. Anyway, Martyn, look at Taz. Comment under Discord Pro. Might be valuable if you're still interested in previous project months ago. Look at Taz. Comment under Discord Pro. Discord Pro Trader chat, right? Discord Pro Trader chat. Look at Taz. Can't see a Taz. What am I looking for? How far back do I have to go? Sorry, Diesel. I've gone back a day. I can't really go back any further. Sorry, mate. I don't know what you mean. Look at Taz comment under Discord Pro. Oh, 3:30 a.m. your time. Oh, thank you for the time. Thank you. That makes it easier. Oh, now I see it. Thank you. Thank you for the time. That really helped. Taz, no, just suggesting can easily be done though. Might be valuable if you're still interested in your previous project months ago. Core UK government. I don't know what this is. Core UK government. You've lost me, Diesel. I see a massive drop here. What is this? I don't know what this is. No, just a suggestion. Can easily be done, though. Yeah, sorry, mate. I don't know what I'm looking at. Taz, Luke. Oh, Luca coin on Solana. Oh, Luca coin on Solana. Seriously? Not suggesting. Oh, right. Oh, I see. I see. Luca coin on Solana. Okay, I'll take a look at that again. Thank you for that. Thank you. Sorry if it took me a while to get there. Yeah, thank you for the reminder. Your own crypto coin, yeah, the Luca coin. Yeah, I've not found any good solution for it yet. That's reliable to you.
At Diesel_Ada tipped $1.99 through Super Chat. Your own crypto coin.
Yeah. Yes, I got it now. Thank you, Diesel. 115 average now. Oh, look at you guys. Will the weather be okay for the launch? Do you know? Yes, so far, yes. Don't sell now. The price will go up today. Yes, indeed. Are we live and catching a falling knife? Yes, we are catching a falling knife carefully. Hate to be negative, but if launch is a failure, we'll be in trouble. No, we won't. We won't be in trouble at all. Weather seems bad around Texas today, but near us, but no news around their location. No, not bad. Just not per usual, I guess, said Cameron. Petra reports we're in check without using the tax lots. Next one in Spain with tax lots, so we'll report. Oh, great. KO pumping. Coca-Cola is pumping, I'm getting told. Let me go and have a quick look. Yes, 1.28. Nice little rally on Coca-Cola. There it is. I'm still happy to have sold, though. There's no new news on Coca-Cola, though. It's because the market is selling off. People are moving into Coca-Cola. And you know what comes next? They'll sell that to buy SpaceX. So watch out for it, folks. Watch out for it. Great. Yeah, thanks for letting me know. But I'm stuck now. I've got nowhere to move. Petra thought so, says Melanie. If we rally, there'll be only a significant number that will be sell regarding the locked up shares, especially if S&P sells off, says Crypto Savage. Slim says, been watching the SpaceX launches since the start of Starship. Can't wait for this one. Yeah. I mean, now we've got a vested interest, right? Now, literally, I've got a potentially $100,000 day today. So, yeah. Right, guys, this is what's going to happen. I've got to go over to Discord now. We've got our Discord event in 10 minutes. We'll be back later for the launch. Right after the launch, we'll do our music show. It'll be a shorter music show tonight. So it'll be like really high, fast energy songs for like half an hour to an hour. Really tight. So if you want to get a request into the music show, you have to post it early. All right, it's first come, first serve. Let me set up the event now for tonight's music show. So let me go into here. I'm going to create it now. Here we're coming up now. Could be a hell of a bounce. So switch. Martyn Lucas music. I wonder what that is on the 60 minutes. Look at this now on the 60 minutes. 11 grand down the past hour. Let's see if it moves. Right. I'm going to create an event for tonight. It'll go straight after the launch. and it will be a very quick show. So reuse, that's for tonight. Music show. Show more. No AI, no ads. I turn all the ads off for you. No memberships. It's a completely free show. No ads, no memberships, nothing. It's a free show just to enjoy some music on a Friday night. And if we're up 100 grand, we're going to be drinking bottles of whiskey, aren't we? Anyway, redirect. Yeah, back to there. Next, public. Right, here we go. 24th of July at 4 p.m. No, it won't be 4 p.m., will it? 5:45, 6, and 8. Yeah. Around about here. The time will move. The time will just keep, moving, but 7. Done. Public. Okay. That's now set. I'll give you the link now. It's going up now. Look, you watch this. When that hour rolls across. Down 5. I was down 11 grand. Look at that. Whoops. Why did it do that? Look, I was down 13 grand. Now I'm down 5. See how quickly this moves. When you got $1 million. I mean, it's not just here, of course. I got the money moving everywhere else as well, but I'm only trading here because of the lots. There's no point doing it. You don't have lots on IRAs and ISAs. So switch account back to there. Right. Okay, we're about to go over to Discord. Let me give everyone just for a moment the show for tonight. So this is where we're going to go right after the launch, right? If we go here to the music channel, it should be scheduled now. There it is. Upcoming. So it's first come, first serve. Minimum $10 super chat, because if you there's going to be a short show. So a minimum $10 super chat. There's no $2 super chats tonight if you want to get a request in. And the biggest one gets placed first. It might only be half an hour. So consider outbidding everybody. Okay? Let me give you the link here. Live music tonight. There's the link. It's first come, first serve. If you go there, tap a like, and you can be part of that. All right, there it is. That's the live music party tonight from the piano bar behind me. And it's first come, first serve. If you want to get yourself a ticket or song, I will do at least $10 super chat, because it'll only be a half an hour show, depending on the launch time and all the rest of it. And the market closes at 7. So after that, we can't trade it. We'll be done trading by 7. We'd have sold our top lots, bought bottom lots, all of that good stuff. We'll all be done. And of course, the launch can carry, the flight can launch carry on, but there'll be no market reaction past that point. So there you go. All right. Let's come back out of there. It's first come, first serve. There's the live chat. Let me close that down. Come back to the launch, which is there. Right. Okay. Let's wrap this up. We're starting to go up now. You can see. If we go back to SpaceX, we are starting to move a little bit of a bounce. Would have been great. Oh, I wish I could have bought 111. Oh, man. Oh, I wish I could have bought 111. But anyway, I sold for a profit up here, bought back here. It went lower. That's how it goes. It's going to keep going lower. We're going to keep selling top lots. We're going to keep buying bottom lots. No one can guess the bottom. No one can guess the top, but we'll always get the bottom. We always do. Right. Okay. That's it. What's the current short interest on SpaceX? That's a good question. It's the right question. Let's have a look. SPCX, SpaceX. The current short position on SpaceX, short interest, is 1.47. Is that reporting correctly? 1.47. That's interesting. Hang on a minute. What's all that about? There's some errors here. Massive errors. Short interest. What on earth? I need to get back to you. I need to get back to you on this. This doesn't look right at all. We're showing here short interest of 1.47. Nothing at all. Robinhood's showing the opposite. Wow, look at the forward PE. 600 times at... Oh, you can't see it, can you? Sorry. 600 times earnings. Bloody hell, that's expensive, isn't it? 600. But I guess that's an estimate. We have no idea until this and report the earnings. Wow, 606. Holy moly, is it expensive? When you see it like that, you go, holy. But then Palantir was 800. It was 1,000. So, yeah, if you can keep... You got to keep buying it lower. Got to keep buying it lower. This is why I sell the top lots, buy the bottom lots. Tonight when it pops up, you sell the top ones, you buy the bottom ones. That's a bit weird. Any idea? 1.47? That's not right at all. See, you've got to be so careful sometimes. Hang on a minute. I'm just doing some checks, folks, because that looks absolutely ridiculous to me. Yeah, that is completely ridiculous. Yeah, 32% short interest. That's what I thought. That's absolutely ridiculous. That number they've got on the screen there is ridiculous. It's 30. That's completely wrong. 32% short. That is absolutely bonkers. 1.47, my arse. That's supposed to be reliable, that information. So there you go. Just goes to show, doesn't it? You've got to be bloody careful with this stuff. Right, so we're going to get it off the screen because it's bloody bonkers. Yeah, we're not listening to that. The hell did they get that from? This is why you got a cross-rep. This is why ChatGPT, you've got to be careful because it uses all this stuff and it refers to other things and then it goes, oh, yeah, the short interest is like 1%. No, it's not. Right, okay. That was what's it called? One of the most reliable sources in the world. That was Seeking Alpha. The number one analysis tool there is for traders, Seeking Alpha. Unbelievable, wasn't it? So there you go. You got to be really, really careful reading this stuff. And you got to understand what it should be and then keep double checking. Seeking Alpha. Just unreal, isn't it? Right, guys, it's time now for our Discord event. So what we're going to do now is we're getting a nice little bounce. Congratulations to everyone who got a nice little 111. I'm dead jealous, of course. Absolutely dead jealous. You can see where we were down 13 grand. We're now down 4.8. So a big difference. 1 million in play will do that. And that's only on the 700 grand here, right? It says 323 because it's not showing the margin. All right. The rest of it is elsewhere. So it's quite a big move. Anyway, listen, folks, we're going to go now to Discord. Thank you very much indeed. I'll see you on Discord right now. I'll see you back for the closing bell. Music show, first come, first serve. I've given you the link in the chat. Get your requests in. Be a shorter show. That's it from me. I'll see you back in a bit. Now it's live trading on Discord and then back with you for the closing bell this afternoon. It's going to be a heck of a day. What a day this will be. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.